Good news, I got the new DermiMatch products manual here. It's got a few new pages in it from what's been sent out before. So any new kits are going to come with the version 8.4 of the product guide. And what's new in this one is table of contents, so you can easily find which section to go to. But this page is new, the equipment setup and sterilization, and additional safety and sterilization tips in here as well. Best practices was there before, which has been modified a little bit. All these pages are still the same. One of the new things I'm really excited about is this color guide here, because often I get people writing me, they know that lighter skin should be pigment C and medium skin should be M and darker skin should be B, but when these clients have different hair colors, they're not feeling comfortable enough choosing which needle size, which hair color to use. So with this, let's say someone has about this skin color, you choose the skin color side, you choose their hair color, let's say it's like a dark brown. Where these two meet is pigment M with SMP1 or SMP2 needles, depending on the hair thickness. And so, yeah, now you have this guide where you can take the skin color, match it with the hair color, and it gives you the recommended pigment and needle size to use. So that should be helpful for anyone that still has like questions about whether they're unsure which color to use and which needle size to use. And this is available right now for anyone that's already ordered the kit and wants to have this guide. It's available online under the documentation section on